Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. I said I'd give you a little insight into what the caravan's looking like now, and as you can see, not that great. And that's because we've had to move stuff around and there's now lots of stuff in. There's boxes that are being packed, as you can see, stuff that I've been looking into. I need more racking, I know that now for sure. So as we go along, we've got all this. Some of this is the new yarn. And there's my sewing machine. Now this is going to be taken out of here soon when Gary's got room for it. There's more here. And if I go down, there's some bits and bobs that don't belong in here. This is all my yarn from in the house. These are more of my racking and more of my new yarns. And this is a little drawer set. The drawers are actually in my car, ready to go in. So there's my little London bag. But these are still yarns over here. So what I've been doing is these are all the cubbies from what was in the bedroom, and there was some new ones. So I've got my Addy knitting machine there. All this stuff will have somewhere to live. Don't fret, it's all just on top of the cubbies at the moment. There'll be some more cubbies there. Sulky faced kids, say hello. So there'll be more there above these, but I haven't filled them all up yet. As you can see, there's still lots and lots, because I haven't done any of those behind the box. I haven't done any of those. There's still lots to do. And there's the yarn in these bags, because the reason being, it's freezing out here, you know. And I have got myself a little heater. There's the teas. There's some tinsel just to be Christmassy. And I do have a Christmas tree somewhere. Oh, no, that's more yarn down there. But yeah, I've got a heater on top of a box of yarn and some shelving. I haven't put it on because I don't intend to stay here for too long. I haven't got much to do. There's my Christmas tree in this box here. But at the moment, I don't have anywhere at all to put it. There's a box sealer. And that's a little chest of drawers. So most of these things will go under these cupboards. The cupboards need a new worktop. Oh, look, Jane. Can you see something there that you haven't seen in a while? Gary's blanket. Ready for me to finish it. Moving on. So there's more new yarn in this one here. And there's lots and lots of my bits and bobs scattered everywhere. So as you can see, I do have my work well and truly cut out for me. Yeah. Now this space here will be my heater, not this. This used to be just a little heater that we use, but I'm using it at the moment. But this hose here and all these little accessories, they go on the back of a big unit that I have, which was before we had aircon, which was the air conditioning unit that I used to get to sleep at night because it was just so hot. It's also a heater because they're called inverters, and we use them as heaters and aircon. I know it's a bit foreign to other people, like other countries that just use them as aircon, but you know, it's a cold country really, sometimes. Anyway, so there's lots of hooks. There's some chalgoo hooks in there, and some clover double pointed needles and stuff. So most of my accessories are in these smaller boxes. That's just a box of hooks, I think, in there. So there are some as well in this box, this big box. Lots of accessories in there and crochet kits. But yeah, lots and lots of yarn. Lots and lots of different yarns. There's the Fuel. Do you remember that? It was very popular in the summer. And there's the Amour, which I made my hats with. Yeah, so it will all have its own little place. So at the end, at the moment, this is all the stuff that really doesn't belong in here, this pile. So over the back, we've got a Z bed. That's like a single put you up bed. That's the quilt for it, like a single duvet. We've got stuff from my old house, which is my shoes, bags and clothes that don't fit me anymore, but I'm not getting rid of because I want to get back into them. Some hopes of that. We've got some Kilner jars, don't belong in here either. There's a TV monitor that doesn't belong in here. There's some pictures which will eventually go on the wall. There is yarn down there as well, but there are behind this, apart from that, is a light that's going to go up soon. Behind there are garden chairs and that clamshell barbecue that I use. So all of that will eventually come out. Another one of these rackings will go towards the end there, and some more sort of storagey things at the end there as well. But this whole section will be crochet box yarns and some of my shop stuff, and this other whole humongous section is hobby rock stuff. So yeah, messy, I know, but the door, this evil ugly door, which I do have to really kind of work at to shut and open. Hopefully Gary and I are going to do the door tomorrow. It's going to be a challenge because we've never fitted a door frame as well and everything before. So that's going to be a challenge. Now this is also my craft stuff, because this is the pink glittery paint in the colour rose. I've got some spray paint for that as well. There's also my garden paints in there for ornaments. Yeah, there's tons of stuff in here. There's absolute tons of stuff. And hopefully I'll get it sorted out soon. In this big basket of yarn here, it's mostly metallic yarn. There are some bits and bobs on top there that I've put on there, but mostly it is chock-a-block, and it is quite big, full of metallics, because I had a bit of a thing for those at one point. But yeah, got my work cut out, guys. That's why I've not done any filming for a while. This is my box of packaging, and there's my little stitch markers and tea bags and things that I normally, little gifts and bits and bobs I normally send out. But yeah, this is the new yarns as well that I've been getting. I've been finding boxes to pack them all in. So yeah, bit of a mess. But at the moment, I do know, believe it or not, where stuff is. Within reason. Sometimes I have to search, but quite often, yeah. A lot of this around, isn't there? I like this yarn. It's beautiful. It's one of my favourites. So anyway, thank you for watching. In this box up here, this is my pom-poms. I really must remember to take them in. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And hopefully the next time you see this, we'll have a new door on it. Wish me and Gary luck, because that is going to be one heck of a challenge. Yeah. I hope we get it on in a day, because obviously we can't leave it open to the elements or anything. So, but I'll be glad when all of this can get out of the yarn room. It is a bit of an obstacle, I must admit. That's going in Gary's tool area, and there are some of his bits and bobs. But until we've and look down here, I have to share the yarn room with these kind of tools as well. But you know, for now I have to, because it's still making stuff and making it fit and all that. So yeah, it is getting there. My other heads are in here somewhere. What I was going to do is have a nice shelf full of heads. I thought that would be cool, you know, in a macabre kind of way. Oh, there they are, perched up there in that white box is one of them. Yeah, I thought that might be nice, just like a shelf of severed heads. Especially Halloween, I could decorate them. Just saying. Anyway, from the mess that is my new space, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and hopefully it will have a brand new shiny door. Bye for now.